Szechuan pepper attacks at nerve fibers. Vertical line humans. Vertical line science news. Subscribe archives register login. Atom cosmos. Body brain. Earth. Environment. Genes cells. Humans. Life. Matter energy. Molecules. Science society. Other. ESN kids. 09 vertical line 21 vertical line 13 issue. Contents collision course. Scientists struggle to make windows safer for birds. The tune wreckers. Lousy singers make the pitch for scientific relevance. Subscribe. Give a gift. Renew. RSS feeds. Email alerts. Digital edition. Podcast. Past issues. Read articles, including science news stories written for students, on the SNK website. Contents alien cart leap onto the scene. Invasive fish break people's bones and threaten native species. Video games. When Granddad wins. With some practice, people over 60 bested untrained 20-year-olds meet the new meat. Scientists made a hamburger without harming animals, but it cost as much as a house. Home flash news. Szechuan pepper attacks at nerve fibers. The spice makes lips tingle at 50 beats per second. By Laura Sanders. Web edition, September 10, 2013. A+A, text size. The spice makes lips tingle at 50 beats per second. By Laura Sanders. Web edition, September 10, 2013. Enlarge. Rattle my lips. Vibration sensing nerve fibers carry the tingle of Szechuan peppers. A new study finds. Credit, you/stock photos. As many Asian chefs know, a dash of Szechuan peppers delivers a lip-rattling experience. This physical, tingly sensation comes courtesy of specialized nerve fibers that detect physical vibrations, a new study suggests. Szechuan peppers aren't spicy, but chefs often pair them with hot chilies to elicit a devastating tingly hot culinary sensation. Although scientists had a good idea how Szechuan peppers affect mice, the new results are the first to describe how the peppers work in people, says Diana Batirsta of the University of California, Berkeley. What's more, she says, the pepper-induced tingle might be a good way to approximate painful conditions in which nerves tingle, such as carpal tunnel syndrome and diabetic neuropathy. Study co-author Patrick Haggard of University College London and his colleagues enrolled adventurous eaters to probe the sensation of the peppers in the lab. Sure enough, the 12 volunteers' mouths began to tingle after researchers dabbed pepper extract on their lower lips. And this tingling felt very specific. Szechuan pepper elicited the sensation of a 50 Hz vibration, a frequency detected by a class of nerve fibers called RA1. Haggard and colleagues report September 10 in Proceedings of the Royal Society B. The researchers measured the tingle's frequency by introducing another source of buzzing. The mechanical vibrator jiggled the volunteers' index fingers while their lips tingled with Szechuan pepper. People then judged whether the lips or the fingers were buzzing faster. These vibrations revealed a culinary illusion, one that's created by a mismatch between the stimulus and the sensation, says Haggard. The pepper stays still but the sensation oscillates, suggesting that an ingredient in the peppers hijacks nerve fibers that detect mechanical vibrations, he says. The results are not conclusive, cautions neuroscientist Salman Benzmata of the University of Chicago. Multiple fibers could help carry the signal, he says, and tingling can be a confused reaction of nerve fibers to a variety of stimuli. For example, if you put your tongue on a 9-volt battery, not recommended, you get a tingling sensation because the brain doesn't know how to interpret this nonsensical input. Comment. Citations. Ben. Hergarad et al. Food vibrations. Asian spice sets lips trembling. Proceedings of the Royal Society be published online September 11, 2013. doi 10.1000/rspb.2013.1680. Go to. Suggested reading. L. Sanders. Fingerprints filter the vibrations fingers feel. Science News, Volume 175, February 28, 2009, page 5. Go to. Comments 1. Please alert Science News to any inappropriate posts by clicking the Reports link within the post. Comments will be reviewed before posting. I wondered if the experiment was repeated in the US whether they would perceive the vibration as 60 Hz. Roger Brown. September 11,